I'm Willie Nelson, CISO for Operations Technology at Fortinet, and on behalf of the company, Fortinet is proud to be a Rockwell Automation technology partner. Rockwell Automation and Fortinet are partnering to deliver network and security operations solutions. We help protect an installed base experience IT/OT convergence by maintaining a safe and available operations while reducing exposure to IT and OT cyber threats. Fortinet offers cybersecurity solutions like the FortiGate, a next-generation firewall that delivers industry-leading threat protection, and specifically the ruggedized FortiGate, designed to operate in harsh conditions like extreme temperature, humidity, shock, and vibration. Additionally, Fortinet and Rockwell Automation support a wide range of industries. I invite you to learn more about Fortinet and how we can help you with your cybersecurity needs by visiting our page on the Rockwell Automation Technology Partner page, Partner Locator. Thank you.